Introducing the stunning 2025 Volkswagen Golf launch, Edit 1 in white, featuring a powerful 1.5-litre engine and manual transmission, packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, Bluetooth, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. With luxurious interior trim, ambient lighting, and a sleek spoiler, this estate model stands out. Additionally, enjoy the convenience of a stop-start system, intelligent speed assist, and a full suite of security features. Rest assured, knowing this vehicle has undergone a full health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Contact us at laharts.ie for more details on this incredible Golf.